A warm good morning to everyone present here. It's me, Anushka Khanal, and I'm very overwhelmed that I got this opportunity to present my presentation on the topic development. And today's subtitle is Sustainable Development. So, first of all, development. As you all know, that development is the change that brings a positive and a progressive change in the socio-economic, the cultural, environmental aspects of our society. Development is very useful in the society. So, the difference between development and sustainable development. So, development aims at raising only the quality of life of the present generation, whereas sustainable development aims at raising the quality of life of both the present generation as well as the future generation. Development may result to overexploitation of the resources, but sustainable development will not result to the overexploitation of the resources, and development contributes to the development of a particular place, whereas sustainable development contributes to the development of the whole world. So, sustainable development. We have all been reading this topic from a very early age, but we have very narrow concept about sustainable development. What I found doing this presentation was sustainable development is the development that meets the needs of the future generation, and which also ensures that whatever the natural resources we have been blessed by the nature, the future generation will also be able to enjoy that. So, Nepal is also trying its very best for sustainable development. Several kinds of programs are being conducted, but the condition of sustainable development in Nepal is not satisfactory. So, the next topic is aims of sustainable development. What does sustainable development aims? It aims at balancing our economic, environment and social needs, allowing prosperity for this generation as well as the future generation. It addresses the social issues, economic and environment issues, etc. Objective of sustainable development. There are mainly 4 objectives of sustainable development, which include social progress and equality, environmental protection, conservation of several kinds of natural resources, and a balanced economic growth in a country. So, alternative energy resources. You all might be wondering, why did I bring this topic in sustainable development? But what I found was, by using the alternative energy resources, we can ensure the sustainable development in a country. So, examples of such alternative energy resources are solar energy, wind energy, hydropower, and so on. So, sustainable development goals. Sustainable development goals are the global goals which helps to bring the sustainable development in the country by ending the poverty and protecting the planet by 2030. So, some of the goals of sustainable development are to end poverty, there will be no hunger in the world, there will be good life health of the people, there will be the quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, and there will be the affordable and clean energy, renewable energy, there will be the decent work and economic growth, there will be women empowerment, industries, infrastructures will be developed, and there will not be inequalities among the countries, there will be sustainable cities and the communities, we will be focusing in the recycling, reducing recycling of the products, we will be taking action on the climate, we will also conserve the life below water and protect the terrestrial lives, we will promote the peaceful and inclusive society without discrimination, and we will strengthen the partnership among different countries for the better goals. So, at last, sustainable development I thought was very useful for a country like ours and for the entire world. Lastly, I'll once again like to thank our subject teacher, Mr. R.D. Rai, for giving me this